Okay, welcome friends. This is Human versus Desert, the Marathon des Sables. Hundreds of grueling ultra marathons take place throughout the world, but only one is called the toughest foot race on Earth. It takes place in one of the harshest, most unforgiving places on the planet, Morocco's Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert experiences many sunny days in a row, allowing intense heat to build up over time. In these conditions, it is in these conditions that racers participate in the Marathon des Sables, the Marathon of the Sands. The first Marathon des Sables took place in 1986. Since then, thousands of runners have taken part in this extreme competition. The race covers 156 miles and lasts a week. It consists of 5 competitive stages and a 6th stage that is just for fun and raises money for charity. The course is different every year, and runners don't receive course maps until the day before the race begins. They also receive compasses to help them navigate the desert and its steep sand dunes, rocky jebels, which are mountain passes, and dried riverbeds and windswept salt plains. Athletes must carry a week's worth of food and supplies. They are advised to pack high carbohydrate foods and eat between 3,000 and 4,000 calories per day. Participants are given daily rations of water, and they sleep in 8-man tents that are provided by the race staff. Everything else they need must be carried in their backpacks. Sleeping bags, anti-venom pumps for scorpion stings, and emergency flares are required, and small cooking stoves with fuel tablets are recommended. Hats, head coverings must be worn to protect against heat, exhaustion, and sunstroke, and sand gaiters, covers that keep sand out of the toes, are strongly recommended. Sand out of the shoes. Gaiters help prevent blisters, which are a constant and painful problem for many runners. Temperatures during the race average between 95 to 110 degrees, but can reach 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Nighttime temperatures can drop to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which is why sleeping bags are required. The heat is not the only weather-related challenge in the Sahara. Ferocious winds, sandstorms, and rainstorms can occur at any time. Competing in the Marathon des Sables on multiple occasions is common, and some runners have participated more than 20 times. The oldest competitor to date was 79 years old, and the youngest was 16. Heat exhaustion and dehydration are serious medical conditions that can affect runners of all ages. Of the 500 staff members who work the race, 60 are doctors, nurses, or emergency medical workers. 2 helicopters and a jet are also available to evacuate anyone who becomes gravely ill. Members of Morocco's military also provide support to the race and help transport tents. As you can see from this picture, these are marathon staff members caring for the runners' feet. Blisters are a constant and painful problem during this race. And up here in this box, fast facts, torrential rains caused flooding during 2009's race and forced organizers to change the course and shorten the race to 4 days. But in 2012, a Jordanian runner happened to take first place in the men's division and ended a 15-year streak of victories by Moroccan runners. As you can see, a lot of people participate in this event. It is the toughest race on earth. Thousands of runners have endured the harsh conditions of the Sahara Desert to complete the Marathon des Sables.